May 24th, 6:28 a.m. Check this out. Oh, that didn't even come close to working though. Okay, let's go check out the doors. Try and close this once. And we'll even give her another shot. Oh, there we go. Now, you can see the huge gouge between the rubber pieces there against my Passat. There again. Oh, there against the house. You can really see how gouged the rubber is. Doesn't even come close to conforming. The window leaked in here, but when Mr. Pilius repaired it, he put on this piece and this piece. Up here does not fix. A window leak where the glass meets the rubber. Let's check out the other corner and see if it looks anything like this. No, that one's nice. It's kind of sealed up, all nice and tight. Try and get up there in the clouds. I don't see any light coming through the pieces. It's all kind of intact. Again, that one's all coming down. Back to the passenger side. Not sure how that is quality. Not sure how that's supposed to stop anything. That's a brand new piece they put on. Glad I'm not standing behind that as quality that I did. Thank you again. It was May 24th, 2018. About 6:30 a.m. Let's try again.